Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. So our today's topic is how to set up MERCUSYS AC1200 dual-band Wi-Fi 5 router. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this MERCUSYS AC1200 dual-band Wi-Fi 5 router setup is the one of the best. The MERCUSYS AC1200 dual-band Wi-Fi 5 router is a fast and reliable home router that provides strong Wi-Fi coverage using both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, we will unbox the router box. The MERCUSYS AC1200 dual-band Wi-Fi 5 router box includes the main router unit with 4 antennas, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick setup guide. Plug the router into power. Connect your Internet cable, ISP cable, to the WAN, Internet, port, usually blue. Wait for LEDs to turn on. Connect to the router, Wi-Fi or LAN. You can connect using, via Wi-Fi, check the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, password printed on the router label. Connect your phone/laptop to that Wi-Fi network. Via LAN, connect your PC to the router using a LAN cable. Launch a web browser and enter http://mwlogin.net in the address bar. You'll be prompted to create a login password, if it's the first time, or enter the password you previously set. The router will ask for your connection type. Choose the correct one. First is Dynamic IP, DHCP, most common, GeoFiber, Airtel, ACT, BSNL FTTH. Second one is PPPoE, requires username password, provided by ISP. And the last one is Static IP, enter IP details given by ISP. Click Next. You can set 2.4 GHz 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. Choose a Wi-Fi name, SSID, create a strong Wi-Fi password. You can keep same name for both bands or separate them. Click Next/Save. Router will reboot. Reconnect your phone/laptop to the new Wi-Fi name you created. Setup complete. Your MERCUSYS AC dual-band Wi-Fi 5 router is now ready to use. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.